with 3.5-inch color LCD display. Exquisite control knob. BMC ReSmart Generation 2 series brings you unsurpassed operational experience. Real-time flow wave connects us to better patient care and compliance. EcoSmart. EcoSmart heating system with innovative dual water chambers design versus heating chamber versus storage chamber. Optimum humidity and temperature are delivered to patient after traveling through the heating chamber. Accurate water quantity control with real-time compensation from storage chamber. EcoSmart Warm-Up. High efficiency, lower water bills.